Okay, Pat, let's check these out here, buddy. Hopefully I'll show you the play on this one, but this should help you for the rest of them. What we're going to do is factor everything completely. There is no 7x plus 2, nothing I can factor up there. X plus 5 is good, nothing there. Now there's two trinomials here, so I'm going to factor this top one. That's going to be x, and basically I want 6 and 3, so plus 6 minus 3. That gives us that one. And down here we're going to factor this guy. That's going to be 7x plus 2. Hint, it's usually something crazy like up here. And then basically we're going to have x minus 3, right? Because if I FOIL that out just quickly, that's going to be 7x squared. That's going to give me minus 21 plus 2 gives me minus 19. So that's good. Now over here I have 3 over x plus 4. But we have to do this part first, right, as indicated by the brackets. So everything's factored completely. Awesome. We can just multiply over here. We can cancel this stuff off first. We'll reduce a little bit. I'll get rid of some of this. So what I have left is x plus 6 over x plus 5. And we're going to subtract that with this mess, 3 over x plus 4. So the LCD, just keep it simple. I have two binomials here, so that is my LCD. My LCD is x plus 5. X plus 4. Okay? Everyone, not everyone, but a lot of people try to like break it down some more. Just keep it like that. Pardon me. So the fractions, we're going to build two equivalent fractions with our LCD as the denominator. X plus 5 over x plus 4. X plus 5. I said over, but I mean times. X over 4. We get some more room. We're getting into her now. All right. So what we're going to do, to make our equivalent fractions, we're going to cross them down. So I have x plus 6, and I'm going to multiply it by x plus 4. So literally, I'm just going to write those in like this. Over here, I'm going to cross this down. So I'm going to have 3 times x plus 3, x plus 5. I'm going to use brackets as well. So now, because all this is over a common denominator and we're subtracting, I can just really just write it once, right? You don't got to put yourself through writing it multiple times. Now we're going to FOIL over here. First outside, inside last. So the first is going to be x squared. Outside, 4x plus 6x gives me plus 10x plus 24. And that's going to be like a minus 3, right, times all this mess. So I'm going to think of this as like a minus 3 being distributed there. So it's going to give me minus 3x minus 15. Watch your negatives on that, okay? That throws a lot of people. Now we'll combine some like terms. Let me get a different color here. I have no x squareds on the top, so that's good. I'll combine my x terms, so plus 13. Ooh, that's a minus, isn't it? That is a minus. So that is going to be plus 7x. And then I'll do my whole numbers here. 24 minus 15, that's going to be 9. Plus 9 over x plus 5, x plus 4. So that's it. We're basically done. We can do a quick little factor up top here, and we'll see what we can cancel, if anything. Like this is a perfect square trinomial, so I know that's going to be x plus 3 quantity squared, right? But I can't cancel anything there, so there she is. Okay? So again, just multiply, factor everything, cancel what you can. We end up with this. Then we're going to do the LCD, which you quite rightly got. You got that. Then just make your equivalent fractions, cross them down. So for up here, we're up here, you cross it down. 3 times x plus 5, you're not going to do all that in your head, just use brackets. Over here, x plus 6, we cross it down, and that's what we get right there. Once we have everything crossed and our equivalent fractions made, we can really just write it once, because we know we don't mess with the denominators when we add and subtract fractions. FOIL, distribute, do what you got to do, combine like terms, and then just have a look. And this is equivalent to kind of reducing fractions, right? Reduce. Sometimes you can reduce them, sometimes you can't. If you can't, then this is your answer. It's all good. But it's worth just factoring it out quickly to have a look. All right, buddy. Hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Keep those questions coming too.